thought we'd start this video by showing you just how fucked she is underneath. Sorry for the swearing, Dave. It's really bad. Our main beam is really bad. Shouldn't be able to, oh sorry, bend the metal like that. So that needs replacing urgently. Hey. Oh, is that good? Is that good? Oh, hey. Hey. You want a cuddle?
Oh, Jesus.
She's lovely, but... Oh, she doesn't mean it. She doesn't. Go give her a kiss.
The wiring nearly wrapping itself up. There are a few loose ends to be tied up. Today has been a day of mystery for me because I've got so far, it's all good, it's all gravy. But then I had a little bit of a moment where the amp doesn't appear to have a wire from the ignition, although I'm sure it has a wire. Like, there is a physical wire, but it doesn't seem to appear anywhere at the front. Then I had to make sure I'd actually wired the Subaru loom into the Subaru loom rather than into the brake lights, because that would have probably not ended so well. And then I had this final mystery, which is this little chap here. I know that it had a live feed from the original fuse box, but I have no idea what it's for, and obviously I'd like to fuse it and put it in the right place, so I need to know what it does. So I went on a bit of a mission and I traced it, which is no mean feat, I tell you, when you see that our wiring is not exactly great, front or back. But I found it. Came all the way down the back by a process of deduction. I figured that it's here. Comes out here. Gorgeous snapshot of our wiring there. So I found the wire. Then I had to trace it through all of this loop. And this brings us up to the main feed up here. The problem is, when I did this, we were on a very small budget and we had a lot of spare wiring, so what happens is that instead of having one wire, one colour running down the van, it probably changes a few times because it's a really long run. It's like 5 meters, and it was expensive to buy lots of different coloured nice cables, so some of them are reused. So this wire was a black wire, and then you lose it and you think, I don't know where it's gone, but it's the same wire, it's just changed and now it's a red wire. So then I took the ECU out and we continued into this cupboard. This is the ECU here, and I found the mystery wire, and the mystery wire goes this way. So back into the camper van, and the mystery wire, and I think it's this. Comes out here into a random spay terminal that's not connected to anything, and I've apparently taped it up, so that's a sign that we don't need that, apparently. So what I've done to double check before I keep chasing this elusive wire is I've just put a bridge here, which is going you can follow it, come down, down, and then we join the multimeter. Let me connect that. Right, multimeter here. And then we come in here. As you can see, it's quite a process just to find what the hell it was. And now another piece of wire. Let's pop you down there for a second because I have to hold the wires in place. So now the plan is we touch this to the mystery wire on the fuse board, and if I have found the correct circuit, then we get a continuity reading to prove that this is the same wire that I am testing on both ends. So on to mystery wire, and hopefully you can see that it went to 0, which means I have found it. More patching. And then...
You don't look impressed.
Weight saving, man. Been carrying this around with us.
Oh, that's from Baja.
That's probably what ruined the engine. That's probably that puddle.
Yeah.
Still there.
But,
and he's done this bit. Which is an improvement. And this is a comment.
it's a good start to the week. Got a lot of this to do still.
Oh man, yeah.
Did we tell him about the...
I asked him, he said you can't.
No?
I think he said because it's like, I don't know, he said it's like some kind of material. I don't know, maybe he said it's stainless steel or something. Because I don't know the word for stainless. He said if you paint it, it will like go weird.
Oh. Oh well, it's worth a try. Maybe get some normal metal paint.
Yeah, I don't know.
Don't know.
It'd be nice if it was the same colour. Or even if it was like maybe just black rather than, I don't know. Why must you?
Non-repair. I'm going to show you a bit of Willow's electrical shame. It is yellow wire, tape, black wire. Why is that shameful?
It's not.
It's not shameful.
It's not.
That's just budget.
No, that's just the options. There is no... You go buy me all the right coloured wires, I will gladly swap them. How about that?
I've hit a nerve. Love you.
Go make me food.
So why is it taking you a little bit longer than it should do?
Because trying to use an old system and then run it in a different routing and make it nice means you have to like fix one end in, and then half the time I've like run it out of the fuse board so I can put the fuse board in, and then I have to get the dashboard end and run it from the other end, and then like adjust and join the cables.
Lengthen them because they're a lot shorter.
Yeah, like edit kind of like if you just had a brand new piece of cable and you could just wire them all into the fuse board, put the fuse board in, put the dashboard in and run them all up and cut them, it would be lovely,
But that costs money.
I think it would cost a lot, like to look at how much cable we have, like to buy all that, it would be pretty expensive.
Cheap and cheerful, different coloured wires it is.
Well, also like it's good to have different coloured wires because you can tell stuff apart and you can trace stuff, and that's why it took me forever earlier because I was trying to chase a black wire, and it's like, and here I don't think you get quite the, I mean most shops aren't going to carry a pale grey, are they? They're going to have like red, black,
Blue.
blue, yellow maybe, you know, it's not going to be that, so it means that sometimes you're swapping colours, but
we're getting there. Right, the lighting's terrible in here, but I want to show you this evening's meal because I'm pretty impressed with it. We're having masala fish and naan, or a variant of it. But check out my banging naan bread. Here's our fish. Tell you what, I'm well excited for this. Right, shall we have a look at the finished article then? You ready?
yes. Give me that bad boy. Ooh, it looks like what I need to round up my evening.
Got you covered.